Hi, and welcome to Rejuvime Medical. I'm Katy, and I'm so glad you're here. If you found this video, you're probably looking for answers about your energy, your mood, or maybe just wanting to feel like yourself again. You're not alone, and you're in the right place. At Rejuvime, we focus on personalized care that starts from the inside out. Every new patient begins with a comprehensive lab panel and provider consultation. Your lab panels give your provider a full view of your hormone levels and other vital markers, so we can create a plan tailored just for you. While you don't have to fast before your labs, it is recommended for the most accurate results. If you choose to fast, just avoid food and drink, anything but water for 8 hours before your appointment. Most lab visits take 20 to 30 minutes. Scheduling your new patient labs is easy. When you're ready, just click the button below to get started. Select the Rejuvime clinic nearest you, then choose the day and time that works best for you. We'll just need a few details to reserve your appointment. Your name and date of birth, and that's it. You'll receive an immediate confirmation text with all the details of your appointment. At Rejuvime, we offer a 20% discount if you book online. Once your appointment is processed in our system, you'll receive a follow-up text with a secure link to prepay. Enter your information, apply the discounted price, and you're all set. Before you leave, we will schedule your follow-up consultation with one of our providers. Usually it's about a week later. At that appointment, your provider will sit down with you, walk through your lab results, and talk about your goals. There's no pressure, just honest insight and a plan designed around you. One last note, and we get asked this a lot. Rejuvime is a concierge clinic. That means we don't accept insurance, but you can use your HSA or FSA funds for care. You're making a great choice, and we're here to support you through every part of this journey. If you're ready to get started, click below to get scheduled right now. If you still have questions before scheduling, just give us a call at 225-960-1580 to speak with one of our team members. We're so excited to be a part of your health journey. You've got this, and we've got you.